national anthem of the state. Your Excellency, Professor Mrs. Ngozi, Permanent Secretaries, distinguished invitees for this office is Honorable Danagogo and High Court of Real Estate, JB.
I beg the President Anambra do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Secretary to the State Government of Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to influence my official conduct or my official decision, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and adhere. That in all circumstances, I will do right all manner according to the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter shall be brought under my consideration or shall be unknown to me as Secretary to the State Government of Rivers State, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Secretary to the State Government of Rivers State. So help me God.
You step forward to sign that this time. Take the action.
Congratulate you. I'm using the word congratulation because a few of us who, not by our power, but by a special favor that God granted us, we found ourselves in most exalted places. Not because we're the best, but it's only God's grace and favor. So I use the word congratulations because this position you just got can only be God. So my charge is very simple. God has brought you in at this particular time to be the secretary to the government of Rivers State. It's a rare opportunity. We can count the number of SIG we've had from the inception of Rivers State. But you can't count the number of commissioners. There are too many. So it's a position of honor. So I want you to guard that office with honor. Discharge your duty with respect. Protect the interests of Rivers State. When you leave the office, I want you to leave the office with honor. And you can only leave it with honor when you discharge your duty responsibly. I have no doubt that you're going to perform well. I know you're a former member of the Rivers State House of Assembly. As a matter of fact, you were a principal officer at that time, at a minority leader. You were also one of my commissioners, and I knew within the period when we worked, you did well. You were a very dedicated person. So this opportunity is not an opportunity to show power. It's not an opportunity of this, but I have a very big office. It's a call to duty. We're coming from a very, very, very bad position. We really need to reassure the people of Rivers State that we mean well for them, more especially now that peace has returned to the states. So please, by the grace of God, do your work very well to help us to succeed in this assignment that God Almighty has given to us.